One more thing that I'd like to do is talk about order of operations. Right now what's happening is the machine will cut this one first, then it will cut this one, and guess what? Now your piece is completely loose, and when you go to cut the last profile, which is that little round over, this thing's just going to fly all over the machine because it's not being held by anything. You may have secured the outside of the wood, but now this thing's gone. So we'll move this up here and reset and preview all toolpaths. Let me show you them one by one, and then I'll show you again the proper order of operations. This first one, you're cutting very nicely. You're cutting the path, the profile. Now you have just cut the profile. Now pretty soon it'll cut out all of this, but you've cut the profile and it's nice and sturdy inside the piece. Then the last one that it'll cut is this. But there's one more issue, and that is, if you look, this is a a quarter-inch end mill. Then you're using the form tool, and then you're using the quarter-inch end mill. The first and the last pocket are the same. So why not move this up here to the top? And now these two will be cut with the same path, and you can group them together. So we see them again, and now it looks like this. It'll start, and you'll see just the edges rounded out, then the inside pocket, and then the outside. That's order of the tool paths. It's something that you definitely want to always keep an eye out